Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making cleaning easier with a guide to the best electric spin scrubbers. These powerful tools are perfect for tackling tough grime and hard-to-reach areas in your home, offering fast and efficient cleaning with minimal effort. We'll be showcasing top models that provide strong performance, versatile attachments, and long-lasting battery life. Ready to find the perfect electric spin scrubber for your cleaning routine? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. DayPlus Cordless Electric Cleaning Brush. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to effortless cleaning with the DayPlus Cordless Electric Cleaning Brush. This 10-in-1 multifunctional spin scrubber is your new best friend for tackling stubborn stains in the kitchen, bathroom, and beyond. High-powered performance. Equipped with a robust motor capable of reaching up to 450 RPM, this scrubber outpaces most competitors. Its 3 adjustable speed settings let you tailor the power to your cleaning needs, whether it's tackling grime on a tile wall or polishing your car's hubcaps. Fast and efficient, it delivers sparkling results with minimal effort. Comfort meets convenience. Cleaning no longer has to be a chore. This lightweight scrubber offers a comfortable. Number 4. XMSJ 6-in-1 Wireless Electric Cleaning Brush. Keeping your home sparkling clean has never been this easy. The XMSJ 6-in-1 Wireless Electric Cleaning Brush is a true powerhouse that transforms the way we approach household chores. With its versatile design, ergonomic features, and impressive performance, it's no wonder this scrubber is a favorite among homeowners. Powerful motor for deep cleaning. Equipped with a robust magnetic motor, this cleaning brush delivers exceptional torque that cuts through tough grime effortlessly. Whether it's scrubbing shower tiles or tackling kitchen grease, the XMSJ brush ensures you get the job done efficiently and quickly. Wireless convenience. Gone are the days of being tethered to a power cord. This cordless electric rotary cleaning brush offers unmatched freedom, making it perfect for moving between rooms or cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The rechargeable design ensures consistent power without interruptions. Versatility at its best. What sets this device apart is its ability to handle a variety of cleaning tasks. Number 3. Xiaomi 9-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber. When it comes to effortless and efficient cleaning, the Xiaomi 9-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber takes the lead. This innovative multi-purpose cleaning tool is designed to make even the toughest cleaning tasks feel like a breeze. Packed with features and exceptional functionality, it's a must-have for every home. Power-packed performance. The Xiaomi scrubber boasts a strong magnetic motor with high torque and 25 W of power. This ensures a thorough clean without losing speed or overheating. Whether it's stubborn stains on bathroom tiles or grime on kitchen counters, this spin scrubber handles it all with ease. Wireless and waterproof. Cord-free convenience meets practicality with its IPX7 waterproof rating, making it ideal for wet areas like bathrooms. Number 2. BALASHOV Electric Cleaning Brush. The BALASHOV Electric Cleaning Brush is a game-changer in the world of household cleaning. Combining power, versatility, and ease of use, this 9-in-1 electric spin scrubber is designed to tackle all your cleaning tasks with precision and efficiency. Powerful and efficient cleaning. The BALASHOV brush is powered by a strong magnetic motor, delivering high torque and ensuring consistent high-power performance. It breezes through tough grime on tiles, countertops, and floors without overheating or slowing down, saving you time and effort. Convenience at its best. One of its standout features is the LED digital display, which keeps you informed about the battery level at all times. Say goodbye to interruptions mid-clean. This electric scrubber ensures you're always prepared. Number 1. Raugee Electric Cleaning Brush. Transform your cleaning routine with the Raugee Electric Cleaning Brush, an 8-in-1 powerhouse that combines innovation, versatility, and convenience. Perfect for every corner of your home. This multifunctional cleaning tool will save you time and effort while delivering sparkling results. Versatile 8-in-1 design. The Raugee brush comes with 8 interchangeable brush heads, each tailored for specific cleaning tasks. From flat brushes for floors and walls to corner brushes for grout and edges, this tool has it all. It even includes sponge brushes for dishes and cloth brushes for windows, making it a comprehensive solution for your home. Need to polish or wax your car? It's got you covered. Powerful cleaning performance. Equipped with 3 adjustable speeds ranging from 400 to 460 RPM, this cleaning brush can handle everything from light dust to stubborn grime. Choose your desired intensity to match the cleaning task, and watch as the Raugee effortlessly tackles even the toughest stains. Extended battery life with fast charging. Say goodbye to frequent recharging. The Raugee features a 2,500 milliamp hours battery that delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.